So last year I did a thing that my husband thinks was totally crazy, but I couldn't help myself because it was 160 acres of pure amazingness. I started things in motion, much to my husband's chagrin, to try and purchase said 160 acres and develop it for our family, even though we just purchased a property in 2017, built a brand new house, and then decided that what we thought was going to be our forever home, and it wasn't. So round two, and we are building again. So I figured I would do this mini series to document not only for us, but for all of you that have questions about developing residential property or building in Montana, to demonstrate all the fun intricacies of developing. In the first case, we built a house and a shop and a horse barn and a couple other outbuildings. And we used a contractor. And then this time around, I am building a shop with an apartment in it, so we can really focus on the home construction and make sure that we do exactly what we want to, since hopefully this will be our forever home.